up, guys, and welcome back to another day with the Auto Works. Now, you're probably wondering why me and the wife are both standing here today. Well, we've both kind of went into this episode together. As you can see, we got two different spray outs here. We got two different colors and two different, flakes that I actually picked out, and she picked out the colors. And we're going to mix them together, and then we're going to let you guys decide which one you like more, her pick or my pick. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Let's start off by spraying the colors. I'll show you what I picked, and she'll show you what she picked. So let's go ahead and get into it. Hey, get out of the way, I'm first. Ladies first. Go ahead, sweetie. Tell them which color you picked.
I'm going to do the fluorescent green.
And I'm going to do satin blue. I figured I'd stay a little bit safer, and I don't know. But you guys are going to decide. We're going to spray them out on these test panels. And you tell us which ones you like better once everything's all said and done. But wait, we got flakes to spray on it too. Alright guys, so we got our color sprayed out, about ready to mix up some clear with some flake in it, and your opinions might change from everything. As you can see, the fluorescent kind of went not so fluorescent, and the light blue looks kind of like a Tiffany blue. Some people like it, some people might not, but that might change in just a minute because we're about to mix up the clear. We got two different crazy kind of flakes we're going to be putting in it, so I'm going to show you what we got. We're going to spray it out, and then you guys decide which spray out you like better. Alright guys, so here's where the flake comes into play. This is where it really gets interesting and changes the colors and makes it look wild. So what color did you pick to do over your fluorescent green, sweetie?
Blue raspberry.
So she's got blue raspberry. It's just from blue to pinks to, looks like an icy effect. I got pumpkin. It's an orange and it shifts to green. And there's even like a little bit of pinks and stuff. I think it's going to be really interesting over that blue. So we're going to mix it up. We're going to spray it out. And you guys tell us what you like better. You're supposed to wait. We're having technical difficulty. She didn't wait. Alright, well, she already put her flake in there, so I'm going to put mine in here. I guess I better go ahead and do it. That should be plenty. And we're going to mix it and get the spray in. Who do you think won, sweetie? Did you win or did I win?
I don't know.
Oh man, what have we got here? All right, so what have we got here? Looks like we got a little bit of a shift of things. You might have remembered me in previous videos mentioned salt and pepper effect. Well, I'm about to show you exactly what that is. If you guys look really close, see how the blue's just got specks in it? And it's not clean or not crystal clear. And then you move over here and you can't exactly even see the metallic. That's because I put a darker flake over a lighter base, and you see every little speck, and it just does not turn out that great. It looks cool when the light hits it. It's got a nice little sheen to it, but nowhere near like that. Look at that. That just pops. That is cool. So I think we have a clear winner, sweetie. I think you got it. All right, guys. So here's the two spray outs. We got the fluorescent green with the gold blueberry. I don't even see no blue in it, but it's there. And we got my Tiffany Sea Gold, Seaside, whatever it is, blue with its crazy orange and green effect flake on it. Well, unfortunately, for me at least, I ran into an issue with salt and pepper effect. It is what it is. It happens sometimes, guys. So I think hers is probably the clear winner, but ultimately it's up to you guys. Which one do you think was best? Which one would you want to spray out on your whole car? You tell me, you let me know. Drop it in the comments. If you've made it this far in the video, please consider hitting that subscribe button, dropping me a like, let me know what you thought, and what colors and combinations of Rustoleum and pearls do you want to see in an upcoming video? Well, let me know. You can hit me up on Facebook. You can message me at whitneyautoworks@gmail.com. Or just drop a comment below. But I hope you enjoyed it today either way, guys. I hope you'll consider like, sharing, comment, and subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. This is my wife, Nora. Hope you have a great day. God bless, and we'll see you guys on the next video.